Okay guys, I want to make a little update on my P218g rebuild status. So I got the timing cover back on, got the bearing seal, whatever it is in there, the seal gasket for around the PTO shaft. Got the bearing plate gasket in. Got the gaskets in behind the bearing plate and the timing chain cover, and everything's cleaned up in there. Had to add some JB Weld paste, add some stress fractures that were a little more than to leave alone. So as you can see, I've been applying a little bit of JB Weld in there. So I'm just about ready to start getting in here, getting a final cleaning. And start putting our valves back in. So our oil pan gasket's been off, and I replaced the oil pan gasket too. So these were 10 pounds per square inch, or foot pounds. These were 10 foot pounds. These were 20 foot pounds. And the oil pan bolts were, don't quote me on it, but 10 or so. 11. I forget. You'll have to look it up. I googled it. So I did have to, I don't want to try and spin it over. It's really hard to turn it now with the new bearings and stuff. I had a little bit of a score. If you look at my last video, I used the hone, kind of smoothed it out so the rings wouldn't catch on it. But I had a little bit of a score on one cylinder. So we're just about ready to start slapping our valves back together. So over here I got the head bolts. They were sitting in vinegar, but I gotta get some more because I didn't have enough. I just splashed a little bit in this thing. There's some washers still in there. Didn't have enough though. Get some vinegar. These are for the PTO adapter, plate adapter. My lifters are here. This is what I do to keep them ready. Because they can't rust. I gotta clean up the magneto. I haven't touched a carburetor yet, but it's not a good one. They're 20 bucks online, so I'm gonna get a carburetor. I can't fix that one down there, it's pretty corroded. I was gonna get a parts cleaner, but it's a waste of money if I can get a carburetor for 20 bucks. Over here, valves, springs, gaskets, valve lapping kit, oil case breather, feeler gauges, fuel pump, and then this is out of the tractor that's in a little bit better shape, but I haven't dug into it yet. So anyhow, that's where I'm at with this P218. A little bit of JB Weld in there. This motor should run for a long time.